Hello guys, this is Vishal and welcome back to my channel. First of all, congratulations guys who have got a seat in TSR JC set. In our today's video, I will tell you full details about counseling dates, admission process, what documents to take for counseling, what happens if you don't have some documents. Those all questions which are in your mind. So, without getting late, let's get started. Telangana Residential Educational Society is going to conduct Phase 1 counseling from 19th October 2020 for 35 TSR junior colleges. Officials are calling TSRJC rank holders in 1:5 ratio for counseling. Means out of 5 students, 1 student will be selected. For MPC students, counseling will be held on October 19, and for BIPC and MEC students, counseling will be held on October 20. Counseling will be done for both boys and girls separately in the different colleges of TSRJC around Telangana. So friends, now I will tell you what documents you need to take to counseling. All the candidates seeking admission into first year inter should bring all the relevant certificates and documents listed as below. First of all, TSRJC set hall ticket or rank card. Second, your SSC mark memo. Third, candidate transfer certificate and your conduct certificates from the institution where you studied. And also you should bring permanent caste certificate issued by the Tehsildar concerned for BC, SC and ST students. Your family income certificate also needed. Conduct certificate and study certificate for 7 consecutive years of study from 4th to 10th class. For private candidates, nativity certificate obtained from the Tehsildar is concerned. Nativity certificate means residence certificate. For your safety, take all the 3 certificates: caste, income, and residence. If you don't have these certificates, you go to the nearest Me Seva center and you can apply. Within 3 to 4 days, you will get these certificates. Next document required is a photocopy of Aadhaar card, physical fitness certificate from the doctor not below the rank of assistant civil surgeon. You just go to any Xerox center, take the physical fitness form, fill it, and go to government hospital and give it to the doctor for signature. This is nothing but physical fitness certificate. It is mandatory. Next document required is, no, this is not document, latest photos. You need to carry 6 latest passport size photos. 3 sets of copies of all the certificates also you should take with you. Means I have said 9 documents. Of that 9 documents, you have to make a Xerox of 3 and pin set wise and take it to the counseling center. Now I will talk about special reservation category. Reserved candidates means physically handicapped, children of army persons, sports certificate, SC, ST, etc. For physically handicapped, a certificate from orthopedic surgeon of the government hospital should be required, and make sure your disability is more than 50%, means you should be 40% handicapped. Children of armed person category, age certificate from DSSA or from the competent authority for children of ex-service personnel or the children of service personnel from the state of Telangana. For sports certificate, a participation certificate issued at national level or state level, district level is a minimum eligible criteria. If you have at least district level certificate, you will get admission into sports quota. What happens if you don't have some documents? So no need to worry. You write a letter that don't have documents at present. I will submit at the time of admission into college and give it to the officers. Then at the time of joining in the college, you provide the documents and your admission will be confirmed. If you are selected from counseling, you will get a SMS on your phone and also the dates. You can go to that date with all those documents I said, and what documents you need also they will say. And now I will tell you the eligibility criteria. Passing in the qualifying exam is the first eligibility. That means you should get good marks in TSRDC set. For OC candidates in 10th class, they should score above 6 GPA, and for SC/ST candidates, they should score above 5 GPA in 10th class. Telugu medium and Urdu medium candidates also should get minimum 5 GPA in their 10th class. So this is all about eligibility. So this is all about counseling. If you like my video, please subscribe. If you don't like, don't subscribe. I am just making this video for you people at the time when I applied for TSRJC set. There was no information relating all this, so I just wanted to give information so that you will not suffer like me. So this I will be giving further notifications about Survey College, TSRDC colleges and other colleges, interesting videos, fun facts, etc. So please subscribe to my channel and share this video so that everyone will know what should we do in counseling. This is Vishal signing off. Bye.